Hi, in this video I would like to show you how I'm using NinjaSpread to find high risk-reward put ratio spreads for SPY. SPY has just started to fall like crazy in the last couple of days, and also implied volatility has risen. So let's see how I'm looking for great put ratio spreads using NinjaSpread, because as you can tell there are many different combinations of ratios in terms of strikes and expiration. Let's see how I'm using NinjaSpread to find the best ones. If you go to NinjaSpread, you click on ratio and search. You put in ticker, the put, and the price. Right now what I'm looking for is only credit put ratios in the next 4 to 21 days to expiration, and the front delta of the position, so the first leg, should be between 10 and 40 delta. And the net delta of the position, so the whole directionality of the position, should be negative or a little bit positive. That's why I'm setting it to -10 to 1. The strike widths of the legs are set to 0, which means that it's a combination of all the combinations. So I'm not setting it to 5, 10, or 11, or 1, or 4, or whatever. The platform will find me the best ones. And the type of the ratio is 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and 3 to 5 at this search. And here you can see all the results that this search criteria has come up with. And right now the best ones I can see is for January 31st. And if I sort the table by target percentage, it will show me the furthest one. For example, this one has a target price or the target distance of 8.9 percentage point of SPY. So if SPY falls even more 8.9% from this price, it will go to 525, which is the short strike, and that will be my short price here. If you click on this icon, I will draw a trading view chart, and this is the present daily candle of SPY, and here is the long leg, here is the short leg, and here is the break-even point, which is at the moment 508. So if I were to choose this trade, the lower break-even goes to 5.8, so I can see visually where my break-even target is here, looking at the SPY daily chart. So if I zoom in or move this chart, I can see that the break-even point, this orange line, is even lower than the lowest part of August 2024. So I would say this is a pretty safe, I mean, quote unquote safe, because put ratio is never safe, because there is a naked component to it. There is a naked part here, and the break even is here, and the unlimited loss potential is down there. So it's never safe, but quote unquote safe if it's too far out, and if it's a wide put ratio. So as you can see, the width between the strikes are 17. This is what I mentioned previously, that if you use 0 here, it will scan for all the combinations. So with this scan setup, you can find a lot of trades, and you can sort the table by columns. For example, if you are looking for the furthest break even, you sort the table by break even 2. This is the second break even. And if you are looking for the highest price you can get, you can sort the table by price. This is right now -15, which means this is a credit put ratio. And these are the different ratios. If you are only looking for the standard one, you can uncheck it here, or even not check it in the first place. And then you will find only 1 to 2 ratio spreads. If you want to further widen your days to expiration, you can set this slider, for example, to 30 and run the scan again. You can also scan for probability of profit. Usually these are pretty high probability trades, but using the pop filter, you can filter out the ones that are lower than 90% at this time. If you click on advanced search results, you can also say that you are only interested in spreads where the leg volume is minimum 1, so should not show you any illiquid ones. And you can also set the range between the break evens or the strikes. at a certain percentage. For example, this is what I mean by range. So this first point and the second point. And right now with this search, it's set to 2. If I set it to 3, probably nothing will come up, but let's see. It really depends on the volatility of the current market. It's coming up. Even I can say it, like set it to 5. I'm not sure. Let's see if it's found anything with strike. Yeah, and the range 5.2. So for example, this one has a 5-point percentage range between the 2 strikes. This is what I mean by range. So you can even further filter your list by range. If you are satisfied with your own search criteria, click on this link and then you can name your search, save it, and then you can alert yourself if NinjaSpread finds anything new on this list, or you can load this scan anytime in the future and you can run this scan on demand if you want. So in short, this is how you can search for great put ratio spreads using NinjaSpread. If you have any questions about this scanner, just let me know. Thank you for your attention. Bye.